Hello, this is John Hart, and we'll be going over mean, median, and mode. And let's get some numbers here, maybe some random numbers. We'll go to FX, and we can type in random and see what we get. Hit enter. Rand lives between 0 and 1. Let's try something else. Between numbers I specify, you specify, we'll click OK. Bottom, we'll say 1. Top, we'll say 99. And that's our random number there. We can get on the corner and get a thin plus sign, left click and drag it down. Those are all random numbers. Peculiarly, every time you type something in and get out of that cell, the numbers change. So if we want to just not have that do it, we can right click, copy, left click there, right click, and paste values, or hit backspace, and the original column is doing that, but not the pasted column that we used the values. Okay, so down here, just to keep track of things, we'll type in mean, median, and mode. And we can sort these numbers to eyeball things. We'll go to data and sort, and we'll uncheck that to get all the data. Column D, it's already there, and it's going to go smallest to largest. We'll click OK, and we can see our central tendency here is in the middle, so our mean and median is going to be in here. Mode might be something else. For example, looks like there's two 12s, so that might be our mode. Are there any other repeats? Doesn't look like it. So mode can be anywhere, but median and mean are going to tend to be in the middle. So we'll click there, we'll park the mouse there to get our mean or average, is what Excel calls it. We'll click OK. After we go to FX, we see average there. If you don't see it, you can type it in here. And here's our average. We can move this around as needed. Left click, hold it down, let up, and click OK. 46 is going to be here. Median, we'll search for median. I don't see it in the list there. We'll type it in, hit enter or OK. There it is. So median is the number in the middle, 48. And mode, I don't see it in the list there, so we'll highlight that, type it in. There it is. And it looks like 12 is the mode. What happens if we have two modes? Let's say we type in 82 there. The average changes, but it's not picking up the second mode. How about if we have three of those? 82. Then it will pick the one, apparently the one that has the larger number within a mode. This has 3, 12 only has 2. But when there's only 2, in both modes, it's only going to report 1. So that's a limitation here in Excel. So for mode, you have to eyeball things. So we see a couple 12s there, no repeats until we get down here. So just be aware of that, and we can get rid of some of those decimal places in the average. So what I did there, right click, format cells, number, and I like to have 2 decimal places in Excel when there's that possibility. There's not for median and mode. And that concludes this lesson. Thank you.